Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to disable autopay in Google Pay. To get started, open the Google Pay app on your phone. Once you're inside, tap on your profile picture in the upper right corner. Next, scroll down and tap on your data and wallet. From here, select Manage Payments Data. This will open a new tab where you can adjust your Google Pay settings. Now, look for the option called Personalization within Google Play. Go ahead and tap it. To turn off autopay, simply switch off the personalization feature. Once you toggle it off, autopay will be disabled, and Google Pay will no longer automatically process personalized payments. And that's it. That's how to disable autopay in Google Pay. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.